Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's well. You had a nice weekend and that your holidays have been good so far. You had a nice Christmas. Hard to believe. Here we are, last Monday of 2025. It is December 29th, 2025. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's and the last 2025 version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. Often our statistics get lumped in with greater Los Angeles County and Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. Like to point out that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors. Where are we as we start this last few days of 2029? Don't want to read a whole lot into this week's statistics and to next week's statistics. We really look at, we had probably a 2.5 day work week. And it just seems that our market, as most markets, a lot of markets across the entire country, have had a difficult time gaining momentum after the government shutdown. It kind of seemed like a lot of folks, potential buyers, potential sellers, just kind of shut down and said, you know what, let's wait and see what the new year brings. So next week we will do a video, going to do some comparisons as to where we're entering 2026 based upon where we entered 2025. That'll be a good comparison. So where are we on this last Monday of 2025? Active listings just a tick above 900. Wow, that's getting low. 910, down 4.1% from last week. Pendings, those properties in escrow under contract, down to 344, down 2.5% from 353 last week. Last week, the week of December 22nd through December 28th, 2025. Like I said, don't want to read a whole lot into this. It's due to the real short work week. We're going to be facing the same thing this week. A lot of people checking out probably midday, Wednesday, the 31st, if not all day. And then, of course, January 1st on Thursday. And just be interested how many people just cruise through that second into a long extended weekend. So last week, new listings, 26. And like I said, that's way down 55.2. Median sales price down 4 to 427.5 from 472.5 last week. Number of properties going under contract into escrow, 30 compared to 56 the week prior. That's 49%. Median number of days those properties that went into escrow were on the market, 49. That is less than the week prior when we were at 52. Sold properties, those properties that closed escrow Monday through Wednesday of last week. As I mentioned, county recorder closed both Thursday and Friday, down 18.6%. Excuse me, you know what? The county recorder was not closed Friday, just Thursday, the Christmas holiday. Correct that little bit of a mistake. Median sales price, nice little bump, 16.4%. 35 sold, really not a good indicator of where that number flushes out. And then our absorption rate, taking the number of active listings, 910, divided by the total number of properties that closed in the last 30 days, which was 199, shows that if there was nothing new to come on the market, it would take 4.6 months for all those 910 properties to go under contract. Real quick point out, 3 months or less, we're definitely in a seller's market, 4 to 6 months, a balanced market, and anything over 6 months or higher, a buyer's market. So we are edging up a little bit. So I'd imagine that number could be a little bit higher next week, but we'll get a good read. Typically, third week of January was if we're going to see a good increase in activity. So as always, even though we're at another short week, if there's any other information, any more statistics about our local market that myself or any of our other trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services can provide you, please feel free to reach out, where we've been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. So everyone take care. Have a very happy and safe New Year's, be careful if you're out there driving. Supposed to be rainy towards the end of this week. So combination of New Year's, some crazy drivers out there and some rain on the road. Please be careful so we can look forward to seeing you and what I am optimistically predicting will be a good 2026. All right, everybody, take care. And like I said, have a happy new year, and we will talk to you next Monday. Bye bye.